Hi everyone, this is Saria. Welcome back to my channel. Well, last episode was based on some beauty tips, as you all know. So today I'm going to show you something different tips, which is based on both boys and girls, because lots of people requested me, especially boys, requested me to give some videos about boys. So today's episode is based on both for boys and girls. So just let's start. Well, today I'm going to give you some tips about boys and girls, both. So first I'm going to share with you that how you can make yourself more stylish, more beautiful, more handsome, um, for going to anywhere. So first I'm going to start about boys. Okay, so for boys you have to follow some rules. Okay, like to make yourself more handsome and more stylish or dashing. The first rules is that you have to just propagate yourself. Okay, just well dressed, for especially for when you go to any kind of office meeting or in kind of casual party or office party. You can use just a white color shirt or suit. This is very important to wear suit because it adds some extra stylish look for boys. And white color is a very common color for any kind of a party, or especially for any kind of office party or occasion. You can use this color. This is a very common combination, as you all know. And then the second rule is that you can use some accessories. Okay, accessories is very important because it will add some extra gorgeous look, especially both for boys and girls. So for boys you can use like watch, wristwatch. This is the most important thing. And like gold watch you can use, or any kind of watch, a stylish watch, a stylish wristwatch you can buy, that is you like. And you also use like different kind of accessories like cufflinks. Okay, cufflinks is a very special, it will add some special look on your get up. You can use cufflinks on your shirts or suit. Okay, there are special different kinds of cufflinks you can buy, like metal cufflinks, like stone cufflinks, different types of stylish cufflinks you can buy for yourself. And wristwatch is very important. Wristwatch cufflinks you can use. Besides that you can also use some like of a body spray. Okay, there are different kinds of body spray available in market. You can just shopping mall, you can just buy it. And there are different types of different kinds of body spray that is both can be used for both for boys and girls. Okay, both can be used for this, like a fog. This is a very common type of body spray that is used for both boys and girls. So and after that, shoe is the most important thing to for your personality. Okay, so shoe is very important. Whether you go, you can use different types of shoes, boots, skates. Well, skates is the most common thing nowadays, because it's very comfortable, both for boys and girls. Whenever you go for casual party walk, or any kind of like jogging, walking, any kind of occasion. You can use for going to a shopping mall, you can use kids, because it's very comfortable for walking. So lots of people loves to wear kids, especially as a footwear. uh, and then you can also use some t-shirts, polo shirts, and with jeans. It will make you some more extra handsome look. And you can also use some jackets, leather jackets, and like leather jackets over your shirts or t-shirts. You can use these jackets. And these all the tips for especially for boys. And for girls, for girls there are lots of things for girls. So for girls you can use like different types of accessories. As you said, there are lots of accessories for girls, as we all know. So like you can use a pair of earrings, like necklace, bracelets, rings, anything, any accessories you can. It will add some extra gorgeous and fabulous look. And there are lots of earrings: stone earrings, ring earrings, metal earrings, necklace, stone necklace, metal necklace. And then you can use also wristwatch. Okay, for ladies you can use also wristwatch. There are lots of beautiful wristwatch, like stone wristwatch, metal wristwatch, lots of beautiful collections in the shopping mall. You can, and also for online shopping you can just choose and buy it. um, my next episode, I'll show you some accessories collections. So after that, well, for girls, you can use also for look yourself. Like if you wear like western dress, like jeans, shirts, or skirts, you can also use a scarf. Okay, it will also look very stylish and gorgeous. And if you wear salwar kameez, especially for Bangladeshi girls and Indian and Pakistani girls, if you wear these for salwar kameez, because most of the Asian countries, especially Bangladesh, India and Pakistan, for these countries girls, we especially love to wear salwar kameez or saris. If you wear this type of dress for any kind of occasion, party, or wedding party, you can use like stone earrings, or like jhumka. It's also one kind of earrings, we all know that. There is a stone type, a mixed of stone, metal, gold earrings. So you can use this is very stylish look. You can also use a necklace, a stone necklace. This is also very looks beautiful, and make your get yourself prepare very beautifully. And for footwear you can use high heels, pencil heels, and also use flat sandals. It depends on whether you want to go, and which kind of party you are going to attend. It depends on that. And you also use skates. There are different types of ladies skates are available in shopping mall and online shopping also. You can use this is a different types of colors, especially if you are going to any kind of wedding party. You can use the bright color like red, pink color. Most of the girls use this type of colors: red, pink, green, blue, dark blue, green color, olive color, orange color. You can use the yellow color. It looks very glowy and very glamorous look. And black color is the most glamorous color. You can use both for girls and boys. For For boys, you can use a black t-shirt or like casual black shirts with black suits. It will black color is makes you look more handsome and more dashing. And for girls, you can use black color. There are lots of different types of stylish dresses available. You can use this color, and you can also use the mixed combination or contrast color with that, whatever you like. And after that, for girls, there are lots of things to get yourself more beautiful. You can make your hair very beautifully, set your hair very beautifully. Like you can use bun, or like make your hair like different types of hairpins. Is stone hairpins are available, different types of. This is very cute and very beautiful. You can use this. And after that, you can also use different types of bracelets, and with that you can use different type of western dress also. If you want to go hang out with your friends or family friends, you can also use like different types of tops and t-shirts, like with jeans. And you can also use there are different types of ladies jackets you can use over your shirts. This also look very beautiful. And please remember one thing: whatever you buy, always remember one thing, that which dress you are going to buy, especially both for boys and girls. Which dress you are going to buy, just keep it mind that it's fit on you. Okay, it's totally fit on your body shape. Because sometimes we see that it like loose, it doesn't fit with our body shape, body size, shoulder size. So always remember that, especially for boys, when you buy two t-shirts or shirts, just first thing you have to remember that your shoulder size, that it should be fit. Okay. And it's also for girls, just whether you want to buy dress, just keep it mind that it's suits you. Two rules: that it suits you and it fit you. Okay, so that's the thing. So that's for today. And so I think this would be more be helpful for you, both for boys and girls. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get new updates. Those people already subscribed my channel. Thank you very much everyone. And please subscribe my channel to get more new videos and more new tips and more new tutorials to make yourself more beautiful. So stay fine. Bye.